Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your Jis News for January 24. As government gets ready to reintroduce the scrap metal trade, the National Security and Industry Ministries are partnering to clear police stations of derelict, unclaimed vehicles and direct them to the trade. The portfolio ministers toured the Ellison Road Police Station Tuesday to see evidence of the pileup of old vehicles that can be found at many other stations across the island. Industry Minister Anthony Hilton says that in addition to cluttering the premises, the vehicles pose a public health hazard.
Their removal will reduce the unsightly congestion in the parking lot of several police stations island-wide and reduce the health hazard posed from vermin which use these scrap heaps as a breeding ground. These will be destined for the scrap metal trade and are expected to earn significant foreign exchange for the Ministry of National Security.
The Scientific Research Council's food testing laboratory has been accredited to international standards, making it better able to meet stringent food import regulations under the U.S. Food Safety Modernization Act. SRC's lab became the first such facility to achieve the milestone Tuesday when it was presented with the certification by the Jamaica National Agency for Accreditation, JANAC.
According to the statistics from the Planning Institute of Jamaica, in 2011, exported food valuing US $76.8 million was shipped to the United States in 2011. Therefore, not being able to satisfy the requirements of this new law will severely impact our foreign exchange earnings.
In the meantime, JANAC is on track to become a signatory of the International Laboratory Accreditation ILAC Mutual Recognition Arrangement this year. This should significantly reduce the technical barriers experienced when trading goods on the international market. Government is finalizing a project to build around 1,300 houses in Bernard Lodge, St. Catherine. The Minister with responsibility for housing, Dr. Maurice Guy, says once the project gets cabinet approval, it will be implemented through public-private partnership. These units are meant for middle and lower middle income home buyers. At a recent JIS think tank, Dr. Guy called on other companies to partner with the state in executing other housing projects.
We are in the process or are in the market for any new investor who is interested in housing. The government does not have the money, but it has the resources, it has the land, and we can talk business.
There is a renewed call for educators to integrate the teaching of values and attitudes within their curriculum. This was expressed by Education Minister Ronald Thwaites while addressing a function to mark the 83rd anniversary of the Holy Childhood Preparatory School. He congratulated the school's administrators and emphasized the need for partnership between church and state to advance the education system.
The state cannot do it alone. The churches must take back their schools, must own them, and must expand them wherever possible. It is the work of God.
And finally, Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller has joined many Jamaicans paying tribute to Dr. Heather Littlewhite, who died Tuesday night. In sending condolences to her family and friends, Mrs. Simpson Miller says Dr. Littlewhite was a professional woman of courage whose life exemplified the true spirit of perseverance against the odds. The Prime Minister praised her work in nutrition education. She also remarked that despite being challenged by a regrettable and most unfortunate incident in 1999, Heather Littlewhite demonstrated remarkable courage and strength of character, which was admired by all Jamaicans who knew her. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.